I've been sharing my bias on dollar appreciation for so long. Key in the comment if you can remember since when I've been talking about that. So let's have a look over here, and this is why that a lot of times when people say that, hey, dollar is not so good, it's going to crash and whatsoever, yeah, maybe it's true, but it's not now, because you can see that the bullish movement has been continued its movement as early as 14th of October. I say that dollar appreciation is going to happen. This is what happened. So the entire movement we can see from October is that the total appreciation go as much as 47%, 4,899 pips movement. So if I bought and hold it to the top at 151, you will have earned that. But once again, how do you know this is the top? Alright, so we have a bit of retracement coming up. This movement is the retracement, and if traders would just short it aggressively without any trading plan, or they do not have protective stops, they are going to get burned out if they are still in the trade, because you can see we have a candle that break and close above the previous high over here. Okay, and right now it's challenging the next level, 142.27. So on the weekly chart, if it break and close above 142.27, it will go higher. So on the daily chart, what we see over here, a break and close above the previous high once again at this region. 4-hour chart, likewise, and let's have a look on 1-hour chart as well. So it is not always that you have a break and close above on a higher time frame. Let's say the weekly chart, you will see that on the 1 hour, and that is because the candlesticks have a different opening and closing price. You have to have this additional focus to look at it once you see that all time frame is pointing to a single direction, that is an upwards movement, an uptrend movement. The one thing that you have to be very careful to do is to short the market when it's having this crazy bull run. When you have the thoughts of how high can it go, if it goes so high it should have a bit of retracement, then you will know that at least in personality in trading you are a counter trend traders. Being a counter trend traders, we have to be smart to look at a better opportunity, and the signs we have to wait for confirmation before engaging those trades. So if this sounds remotely interesting to you, you can scan this QR code. It will bring you to our community over here, and in our community you can go to the, before you are able to see the Traders Cafe, if you're new, go to the information segment under verify, click this 100 emoji over here. Once you've done that, the Traders Cafe will be opened up to you, and you can interact with other traders by introducing yourself. And if you click this pin message over here, scroll down further, this is where you get access to our free training. In this training, you are able to learn how to read trends the correct way, the correct method. You are also able to learn how to place smart stop loss, so you won't get stop out and the market continue towards your direction, something like that, and of course placing targets as well. So if you love what you're seeing, you want to up to the next level, you want to get better in trading, then drop us a note. We'll see if you're qualified before accepting you as our students. If you scroll down further, this gives an idea on the kind of traders we are. You can see that most of our trades are having a 2-1 ratio, and having a 2-1 ratio is so important is because by having a 2-1 ratio, you can just spend 15 minutes analyze the market, set alert, and let the smart devices or the technology to monitor the market for you, correct? And you will just need a 40% accuracy rate to be profitable. That will significantly reduce the level of stress a trader has when they are engaging the trades. Right, so if this is something that interests you, drop us a DM. Back to our daily chart, or in fact the weekly chart, and let me share with you what I have over here for you. So over here, if you're still looking for a counter trend trading opportunity, you can wait for a 149.28. Market went up to this level. It will take quite some time if it happens. So be patient over here. It can take 1 to 2 months before these form up. To the daily chart, if you are looking for a shorting opportunity, then a ABCD pattern should give you an opportunity at 142.84. That is one of the way. Other methods includes if you are support resistance traders, it can come as early as this level 142.18, which is very soon, maybe Monday open. And of course, if those two levels are broken, a counter trend trading opportunity can lies at 149.17. So all these three trading setup has one thing in common: you are counter trend trading. And of course, if you want to engage those trades, you have to wait for minimum confirmation that we taught in our training. To the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. Immediately we have a butterfly pattern, but you can see this is pretty much a bad news. The market had break and closed above this box that's supposed to halt the movement. So what is going to happen is that once the market open 4 hours later, so in Singapore time is at 9 a.m. Singapore time, it has to have at least a break and close below 141.70 before you can consider to key in for aggressive trading shorting opportunity. But that is actually not for me. It's for traders who are still looking for a shorting opportunity. This is one of the methods you can look at. But on the 1 hour chart, this is what actually interests me: a buying opportunity at 141.30, meaning to say that I have to wait for market to come back down into this blue box, preferably at 141.30, because if it stop here and reverse, it shows that the uptrend movement will be very strong, which means I have huge profit potential. I might even hold on to the trade on the second target and observe at every hurdle. What are the every hurdle over here? So on the daily chart, these are the hurdle. I have to make sure that the market break and close above this level so that my bullish trade can continue in a peaceful manner and I can hit huge profits. So if you love this kind of systematic rules-based engagement, there's no need for you to guess, oh, should I be buying, should I be selling? The candle seems like it's going down, it seems like it's going up. If these kind of things bother you and it kind of like affect you every time you make a decision, you do not have a clear-cut rules, then join us, drop us a DM. We will see if you're ready to be coached before accepting you as our students.